late Rao Bahadur D. Lakshminarayan, a visionary par excellence, envisioned an educational institute to build excellence in chemical engineering and technology for students of Central India. His magnanimous grant of over 100 acres of land and rupees 30 lakhs in 1932 to Nagpur University led to the foundation of Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology in 1942. Through early years itself, LIT became an institute of national and international repute with many alumni reaching pinnacle of success as industry leaders, policy makers, researchers and academicians. Through mid-80s, professors at LIT began to integrate past students to seek their contribution for the benefit of alma mater. The activity took formal shape in the form of LIT Old Students Association in 1996 under the guidance of Dr. G.D. Nageshwar, Dr. Shrikant Dabhade, Dr. Sudhir Bhagade, Dr. Mahesh Kumar Yenki and Sunil Ghisad and others. LITOSA initially focused on activities such as scholarships to students and seeking alumni support for campus placements by maintaining communication with past students mainly based in Nagpur. Between 1996 to 2016, LITOSA was blessed with the leadership of Sudhir Paliwal, Jagdish Thakral and others. In the year 2016, Dr. Raju Mankar, Director LIT, initiated active engagement of local alumni members with a view to expand reach and operations of the association. With a change of name to LIT Alumni Association, the organization spread wings with formation of chapters at Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru and America. Represented by Ramesh Tarale, G.A. Krishnan, Deepak Vyavhare, Vinod Kalkotwar and Anuradha Subramanyam respectively. A mega 3-day global alumni meet was organized in December 2016 under chairmanship of Kamal Narayan Sitha, ably supported by Ajay Deshpande as secretary, Pradeep Khandelwal as vice chairman and Sunil Mundada as global meet head. This event, attended by over 600 alumni from all over the world, witnessed remarkable support from Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, and Honorable Union Minister Nitin Gadkari to transform LIT into an independent autonomous institute. A glittering event in December 2017 celebrated success of 9 jewels of LIT. The current team led by Ajay Deshpande as chairman and Amalesh Purohit as secretary further accelerated LITA's progress through 2018. The signature event, Jewels of LIT, in December 2018. Publication of LITA's quarterly newsletter, LITA Samvad, Canteen Facelift, Tree Plantation, Audio-visual system and air conditioning of auditorium, etc., stands testimony to LITA's constant efforts to enrich LIT. Regular contributions to the alma mater, such as financial aid to students, training and mentoring, etc., ensures that LITA is seamlessly integrated in the fabric of its alma mater. LITA constantly endeavors to support LIT transform into an independent deemed to be or technical university and help realize dream of the divine donor.